Hello everyone, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's me again, so for today's video, I will teach you the Bisaya English translation. So let's start. Asa ang? Where is? Asa ang? Where is? Ganahan ko moadto sa? I want to go to. Ganahan ko moadto sa? I want to go to. Diretso ra. Go straight. Diretso ra. Go straight. Adto sa wala. Turn left. Adto sa wala. Turn left. Adto sa tuo. Turn right. Adto sa tuo. Turn right. Stop here. Hunong na diri. Stop here. Hunong na diri. Nawala ako. I am lost. Nawala ako. I am lost. Usa ka tubig palihog. 1 water please. Usa ka tubig palihog. 1 water please. Usa ka beer palihog. 1 beer please. Usa ka beer palihog. 1 beer please. Akong bill palihog. The check please. Akong bill palihog. The check please. Kan-anan. Restaurant. Kan-anan. Restaurant. Gigutom nako. I am hungry. Gigutom nako. I am hungry. Ambot lang. I don't know. Ambot lang. I don't know. Kahibaw ka mo English? Do you speak English? Kahibaw ka mo English? Do you speak English? Banyo. Bathroom. Banyo. Bathroom. Tagpila ni? How much is this? Tagpila ni? How much is this? Mahal? Expensive. Mahal? Expensive. Unsay mo ngalan? What is your name? Unsay mo ngalan? What is your name? Unsa na oras karon? What time is it? Unsa na oras karon? What time is it is? Na ako'y uyab. I have a boyfriend or girlfriend. Na ako'y uyab. I have a boyfriend or girlfriend. Minyo na ko. I'm married. Minyo na ko. I'm married. Thank you for watching, guys. Please don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you are always updated on my next video. See you guys. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.